Understanding isolation valve, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but important phrase in the English language: isolation valve. This term is commonly used in plumbing and engineering, but it's also a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Let's dive in and understand what an isolation valve is and how it's used in everyday language. An isolation valve is a type of valve used to control the flow of water or gas in a piping system. Its main purpose is to isolate a certain section of the system for maintenance or emergency purposes. Imagine a valve as a sort of tap that can stop or allow the flow of water or gas. This is essential in plumbing systems in our homes and in larger industrial settings. Let's break down the phrase isolation. This word comes from isolate, which means to separate something from other things. Valve, a device that controls the passage of fluid through a pipe. By combining these two words, we get isolation valve, which essentially means a device that separates or isolates a section of piping to control the flow. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. The plumber turned off the isolation valve to repair the leak. 2. During the maintenance, the isolation valve was crucial to ensure safety. 3. Learning how to locate and use the isolation valve is important in household plumbing. English often combines words to create phrases with specific meanings. Similar phrases include safety valve, a device that releases pressure; control valve, a valve used to control fluid flow by varying the size of the flow passage. And that's a wrap on our lesson about isolation valve. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand not just this phrase, but also how English combines words to create new, specific meanings. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little details. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.